Today I invite you to embrace periods of rest and retreat, challenging society's relentless pursuit of productivity. In this video, I would like to highlight how life's metaphorical winters, times of loss, illness, or uncertainty, can become opportunities for healing and transformation. Here's a closer look at its key insights: the necessity of rest. When we look at nature's cycles, pausing isn't a weakness, but a vital aspect of renewal. Just as animals hibernate and fields lie fallow, we too can use these times to replenish our emotional and physical reserves. Embracing rest helps us gain clarity and prepare for growth. Preparation for life's winters. In Finland, they have cultural practice like talvitelat, winter preparations. It underscores the value of getting ready for challenges, whether by organizing routines or creating comforting rituals. Preparation itself can bring calm and introspection, aligning us with the rhythms of change. Rituals and connection. Rituals, both personal and communal, provide grounding during difficult times. From simple traditions like lighting candles to broader celebrations of renewal, they help us foster stability, meaning, and solidarity. The power of nature. Nature acts as a sanctuary, offering restoration and perspective. Some people like wintry walks and icy swims demonstrate how immersing ourselves in natural beauty can bring mindfulness and resilience, while also reconnecting us to the larger cycles of life. Joy and transformation. Even in the depths of struggle, there are moments of joy, whether rediscovering childlike wonder in snow or finding solace in community. Winter is temporary and often precedes renewal, much like how plants bloom vibrantly after dormancy. Ultimately, winter teaches that life's hardest seasons aren't to be feared but embraced. They encourage introspection, rest, and preparation, helping us emerge stronger and more compassionate. Whether it's through self-compassion, connecting with others, or finding peace in nature, these insights show how winters can be profound periods of growth. I hope you can find comfort and healing during this cold season,